Now we got 2 fires. Now hopefully this fire will catch on and burn all of that, and this as well, burn all of this.
When is it coming?
Issue's already here. They're weed eating.
What's the next thing we fast?
No, wow, you're too fast.
Maybe I didn't.
Have a drink.
Maybe I didn't see all.
Have a drink, and then up to you.
Oh, yeah.
Now that one, we kicked that off with a black tire this way. You can see the smoke
Yeah,
is black
still have my strap on.
a bit, but it's gonna turn all white soon.
Still have my strap on.
No danger. Safe.
Yeah, I can go. You stupid.
Yeah. The fire's catching on.
Yeah, look. Look. He got their pocket. Look.
Yeah.
Why back smoke coming out?
Damn.
Why is back smoke coming out? We need the light back. Light.
Cause we saw a bottle inside.
The tire.
Yeah, the tire.
Aim it right. Oh,
Look at that demon coming.
Oh, that one was big.
A demon coming. There's a demon coming.
okay, let's go.
Okay.
One more time.
Bye.
One more left.
10 minutes.
Actually, 3 more left.
Really? 10 minutes.
This one here, because it says that we can't.
Look at
Come
that
on, let's
monkey boy.
Oh, let's go.
We got another tire here. Huh? Another tire over there. Yes? Oh, no.
Shoes over there.
Wow.
That means you need 5. That means 3 more left.
La la la. La la la. Look at that. Now, I bet it. La la la. Look at that. Look at the 2 monkeys like there. Just there around. We eat egg with that egg potato. Yeah.
You better get up and come over here because there's a car. That's the bike coming. That faces the beach. Stay on that side.
What's that camera thing change?
Hey, drop head on my back. They turn magic. Okay, calm down. I'm gonna stay here. Too hot. It's too hot.
I like it. What about if it catches the other one?
Those ones.
They all pop it very near.
The fire's coming this way. That one. Stop.
Okay, let's go.
What's the lighter? Oh, you got it.
It's a demon coming out.
Look cool.
It's a demon coming out. I put the camera to you.
You stay on the ground.
Okay, why?
That's why I read a bike in the
Those are
car.
the bikes in the house.
I said, after they boy, I was telling you. Use a weapon. Oh, this is how.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Wow.
3 more tires left. Oh, damn, that's good.
Oh, sorry. I can't see.
Here, you do it.
No,
Let
no.
me do it. On this side.
Come me down. So big.
Damn.
They look like a demon coming out.
It's not a demon. It's a fire.
Demon coming out. Mommy. You put at the glove.
Stay on the ground.
I point at you. The monkey like the other. Why?
What do you mean what? He said no.
I point you.
Yeah. Oh, damn, look, recorded. Damn, Dad. Nice. The fire is still hot.
Okay, you got yours.
Other, it's recording the road. Damn, that looks nice.
Okay, get me good now. Okay.
Damn.
My daddy?
Bring it over there.
Huh?
Go right there.
Puppy.
Yeah.
Look at that bike. Ah, my leg.
We want to sell this. We need to sell this bike.
Yeah,
We want to sell it.
yeah.
We want to sell it. Not that bike, not that bike.
I ordered it.
This bike is on sale. This bike is on sale. When you want it, you come here. The Aitutaki. Yeah.
They call you back.
Let's go. That's the fire? Damn!
When you put it over here.
Look at Benjamin.
Hey! You pick up the small one. No, no! Take it over there. Over there. Hey! Come in here behind Ruthie and go. Yeah, to do all this. Come on. Turn in, turn in. Fucking turn in. And he's still fucking. Ow. Hey, pick up all the narco. Check it over there. What's the matter with you? What's up? What happened? All right. So we got Ruthie having a rest. We got Ezra on the weed eater, Benjamin on the mole, me on the phone. Yep, pick up all those ones. Ruthie, as soon as you stand up, then I'm gonna go and start helping them pick up all these. Chuck it all on. What? All on. On top. Not that one, that's too big. Come and get these. Do you think that'll burn all the rubbish? Oh, definitely ain't. Hey! Fuck, look at this guy. Easy shit, just mow the lawn. Just move the lawn, come on.